Welcome to Cook Master Tips. Today, we're making candy bar dates. A sweet and satisfying treat that tastes just like your favorite candy bars, but with a healthier twist. Let's get started. Ingredients: 10 medjool dates, pitted, 1/4 cup peanut butter or almond butter, 1/4 cup roasted almonds or walnuts, chopped, 1/2 cup dark chocolate, melted, flaky sea salt for garnish. Directions: slice each date lengthwise and remove the pits. Fill each date with peanut butter and a few chopped nuts. Dip the stuffed dates halfway into the melted dark chocolate and place them on a parchment-lined tray. Sprinkle with flaky sea salt and let the chocolate set before serving. Prep time: 10 minutes. Total time: 20 minutes. Calories: 150 kilocalories per serving. Servings: 10 dates. In the end, don't miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cook Master Tips, for more delicious content.